Hello, good morning. Back with Agnes from Kopidantanaman. Kopidantanaman means coffee and plants, literally. We are a gifting company specialized in coffee and plants. So we can deliver any of our products to the person that you would like to send with a greeting of your choice. Today with me, I would like to show you one of our best-selling products, which is the DIY Grow Kit. This one is a basil grow kit, which I really recommend for people who are currently starting to learn how to grow from seeds. I will show you what's in the box and how to use it, and let's get started. Here is the DIY Grow Kit. So this is what you will receive. This is our kopidantanaman tag, and this one is the name of the person that you would like to give, and we can provide you with some greeting here. And there's a little note from us to remind you to visit our IGTV and YouTube to see the tutorials, and good luck. Let's start opening it. So let's start the unboxing. This envelope is the basil seed or any seed of your choice. You just simply open it like this and you will find the seed inside. You don't need to open this directly because the seeds can last for around 1 to 2 years. If you don't open it and stay in the box, it's fine. We can send it anywhere throughout Indonesia, and as long as you keep it in a clean, dry place, it will be okay for around 1 to 2 years. This one is a planting media that we made specially for starting seeds. It is a mix that we have formulated, and we did the R&D quite some time, and this is the mix that for us is best for growing seeds. Here is the terracotta pot. Why terracotta? Because terracotta is breathable and is very good for starting seeds. So that's what you get inside the box. You have the terracotta pot, you have the planting media, you have the seeds, and you're ready to go. So let's start planting. Just get a tray or anything of your choice just to make sure that the media doesn't flow on your table, things like that, and then you can just open it. Get your terracotta pot out. Get your media out. You can use a shovel like this, anything of your choice actually. Or you can also use your hand if you don't have any tools in hand. Fill the media and pack it in a bit. I like to give a little bit space for water to flow so it doesn't get messy. The next step, you get your seeds, but please just use as much as you need. Don't overuse the seeds, because anyway you can save it for later. There's a Ziploc here, so you can just use the seeds that you need. I like to use just about this much. Sprinkle it in. Oops, this is a bit too much, so I'm gonna put it back in, and it's okay. Everything is dry, so they won't germinate inside. The next step is to water your plant. So simply take some water, and then my favorite is to water it from below, because as this is a terracotta pot, it will take up the water just as much as the plant needs, and it will not let your plant to get overwatered. If you use this misting spray like this, you might disturb the seeds. See, it will move like that. But you can also do that but my favorite is to do it bottom watering like this, and then you leave it for the next 10 to 15 minutes until the water is soaked up. So what you're looking for is a media moist like this, the color gets darker, and that's it. You can discard the remaining water and give it to another plant. As simple as that. After that, for the next few days, your job is to look at it every morning or whatever time of your choice, and then make sure that it gets as moist as like this. Usually it only takes around 2 to 3 days for basil to sprout, but sometimes it can go until 5 to 10 days if you don't give it enough water. So after that, it will become little plants like this one. See, those very little plants. This is a 3-day-old basil. And after that, you just water it normally, and then it will turn into a bigger plant like this. As simple as that. So it is not difficult to grow basil, and I really recommend you to start from a basil. That's all from now. I hope that you and your plants are doing very well. Stay safe and stay healthy. See you in the next video. Bye bye.